In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Circle. So with a full tutorial, if you're ready to design engaging learning experiences for your community, let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you're on your community homepage within Circle.so. This will be your central hub for accessing all the tools you need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as navigating comfortably here will make your course building process smoother. Next, look for the Courses tab. While on the home page, directing your attention here will open up a new world of possibilities. As you click on this tab, you'll be transported to an area specifically designed for educational content, so feel free to explore what's available. After you've arrived at the Course tab, your next step is to click on Create a Course. This button is typically located prominently on the page, inviting creators like you to begin designing. Once you click, you'll be asked to make some key decisions about your course. Now, you'll need to choose the type of course you want to create. This decision will shape your course from the outset, so consider your audience and the learning outcomes you want them to achieve. Whether you're opting for a self-paced module, a cohort-based course, or another format, each choice has its benefits. Once you've selected your course type, click Next, which will guide you to the space where your course materials and lessons will come to life. This step is all about setting the stage, where you'll see your creative ideas begin to take form. Now, it's time to create a course space. Think of this as your classroom. Here, you'll gather all your chapters, lessons, and materials that define your course. You're essentially building a home for your educational content. After deciding on a name and ensuring all is set, proceed by clicking on Create Space. With your space established, you'll be directed to your next task, editing lessons. This is a crucial part of course creation where you get into the specifics of each segment of your curriculum. Click on Edit Lessons to begin structuring your knowledge sharing sessions. Adding sections to your course is where your material starts to take shape into a logical flow. Simply click on plus Add Section to begin. Each section can represent a different module or theme within your course, allowing you to break down the content into digestible parts for your learners. So, there you have it, a full tutorial on creating a course in Circle. That's so. From your community homepage all the way to crafting detailed lessons, you now have the blueprint for building an educational experience that can inform and inspire others. Take your time, enjoy the process, and watch as your community grows with the help of your course. Happy teaching!